Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Play 2023 for Boost Mobile. So the Moto G Play is now here at Boost Mobile. It's available now in the navy blue color. So if you guys are a fan of that color, you guys can get the Moto G Play in the navy blue color. In my personal opinion, I don't like it in that color. I would prefer just have like a standard black color, but that's just my opinion. Some of you guys might like the blue color on the phone, but me personally, I just don't. So anyways, it's available in the navy blue color, 32 gigabytes of storage, and it's $49.99, currently on sale. What's that? It is $80 off. So, yeah. So there is the Moto G Play right there, very nice looking phone. You guys got front and back there. You guys got your hole punch for your front facing camera there, earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. On the back of the Moto G Play is your triple camera system. Camera first, fingerprint sensor on the back, and that is it. That's the front of it there. Y'all guys got the wallpaper there, nice looking clock. I am a big fan of that, so there you go. There's the bottom of the phone. You guys have a microphone, Type-C charging port, and your speaker. And keep in mind, you do have a bit of a camera bump on the back. There's back of it again. Like I said, triple camera system, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and whatnot. Right side power button, volume keys. There's front and back of it again. Top of the frame will have your noise cancellation microphone and a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. Right side power button, volume keys, front and back again. And yeah, I think your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. So it says here, meet the new Moto G Play with a fast, refreshing 6.5-inch 90Hz display. Your favorite movies, websites, and games look remarkably smooth and fluid. Add to that a 16-megapixel triple camera system, and it's easy to shoot like a pro. Enjoy up to 3 days of battery life. Get 30 gigabytes of storage, and make sure your phone stays safe with a water repellent design. For a better view, look to Moto G Play. Alright. So it has a 16 megapixel main camera in the back, Android 12 on board, 46.1 hours of talk time, 6.5-inch display. And I'll just basically go over what I just went over in the little description above the thing here. So I'm not gonna read that again. Features. There's the Moto G Play right there. Smooth views, beautiful shots. So can I click on that? Probably no, I can't click on that. It does nothing. So yeah. Refreshingly fast. Your entertainment experience is amazing on the 6.5-inch HD Plus display, and switching between apps or scrolling through websites is super smooth with the 90Hz refresh rate. So you guys can compare the two different refresh rates. 60Hz, which is your standard refresh rate, and 90Hz, which is becoming more common on budget phones like this. So that's very cool. A camera that's 3 times as nice. Get pro level fast focusing sharp images with a 16 megapixel AI powered triple camera system. And there's a close look at the camera's on back. Make every photo memorable. Brilliant shots are a snap. The fast focusing AI assisted camera ensures you get sharp, stunning results even when the lighting isn't perfect. Get creative with spot color. Make your colors of choice pop and turn everything else in the photo black and white. Don't miss a smile. Take the perfect group photos by just smiling at the camera. Have fun with filters. Add a creative layer to your photos by choosing up to 14 different color tones in real time, a closer view. Get within 3 centimeters of your subject and capture magnificent details. Superpower your day. Take a break from the power outlet and stay charged with up to 3 days of battery life. Other features you'll love: smooth experience, ample storage. Feel your phone respond to every touch, tap, and swipe with 3 gigabytes of RAM. Store all your favorite content and get up to 5 gigabytes using a micro SD card. Your fingerprint is your password. Don't bother with a passcode. Just touch the fingerprint reader to unlock your phone instantly. Water repellent equals worry free. Whether going for a run or taking a call in the rain, your water repellent phone resists spills and splashes, right? So the Moto G plate is not waterproof, so keep it in mind. Specs: smooth, fluid 90Hz display. Bring your favorite content to life on a stunning ultra wide screen. The 6.5-inch HD Plus display gives you a speedy 90Hz refresh rate and a 20:9 aspect ratio, so you scroll less and see more. 16 megapixel AI powered main camera. The fast focusing 16 megapixel camera ensures you get sharp, stunning results even when the lighting isn't perfect. Take your best shots ever thanks to AI enabled features that make it easy to shoot like a pro. Up to 3 days of battery life. Free yourself from the power outlet. The massive 5,000 mAh battery keeps you working and playing for longer without worrying about running out of power. Storage. Never give storage a second thought. With up to 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, and you have plenty of room for photos, videos, songs, and apps. And you can always add up to 5 gigabytes more using a micro SD card. Fast refreshing, auto adjusting. With a speedy 90Hz refresh rate, switching between apps and scrolling websites is smooth and fluid. And depending on the type of content you are viewing, auto mode will adjust the screen refresh rate from 90Hz to 60Hz to save battery life. Lose the lag. Feel your phone respond instantly to every touch, tap, and swipe with 3 gigabytes of RAM. Fuel your creativity. Get creative and get your best results, including extreme close-ups and beautiful portraits with a blur effect. Plus, a 16 megapixel camera focuses on your subject in the blink of an eye, so you never miss those once-in-a-lifetime moments. Water repellent, waterproof. Don't let spills and splashes get in your way, whether you're going for a run or taking a call in the rain. A water repellent design keeps your phone protected. Up to 3 days of battery life. Free yourself from that power outlet. The massive 5,000 mAh battery keeps you working and playing for longer without worrying about running out of power. Ultra wide for the win. Bring your favorite content to life on a stunning ultra wide screen. The 6.5-inch HD Plus display gives you a 20:9 aspect ratio, so you can scroll less and see more. Your fingerprint is your password. Don't bother with a passcode. Just touch the fingerprint reader to wake up and check. Just touch the fingerprint reader to wake up and unlock your phone instantly. It's discreetly located within the phone's iconic logo, so you hardly know the reader is there until you use it. brilliant shots are a snap. The fast focusing 16 megapixel camera ensures you get sharp, stunning results even when the lighting isn't perfect. Take your best shots ever thanks to AI-enabled features that make it easy to shoot like a pro. Hold everything, never give storage a second thought. With up to 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, you have plenty of room for photos, videos, songs, and apps, and you can always add up to 512 gigabytes more using a micro SD card. So I basically just went over the same thing I just went over with and the spec thing above this thing here. Specs: 6.5 inch HD plus 90 Hz refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery, up to 46.1 hours of talk time, a MediaTek Helio G37 processor, Android 12 on board, triple camera system in the back, 16 megapixel main, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth camera, 5 megapixel front-facing camera, 32 gigabytes of ROM, and 3 gigabytes of RAM. 4G only, there is no 5G on this phone here. There's your dimensions. Other features include your fingerprint sensor. Alright. So what's included in the box is your Moto G Play 2023, your guides, 10-watt charger, Type-C cable, and your SIM tool. So you pretty much just send stuff in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto G Play is now here at Boost Mobile. This is the 2023 version. It looks very nice. It has decent specs for what it is, a budget phone. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone and whatnot, y'all guys can pick this one up right now at Boost Mobile. Very nice looking phone. I don't like the color of the phone though. I personally don't like the color of it. But that's just my opinion. Some of you guys might like the blue color on the phone, but I personally do not. But hey, the phone looks nice nonetheless. It has great features for what it is, and it's all worth checking out if you guys are looking to get a budget phone and whatnot. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.